Давай еще. Давай. Yes, sir!
We can go ice fishing. Eleanor. Oh!
Yes, I to the car. Who's right? I'm going right. Yes, I. We will get to the rock in.
Oh my god.
One more time. Tell me what to do. Wee. One more time. Wee.
No.
Oh shit! Back
3, 2, 1, go! Someone's gonna.
Wait, was it?
You're coming in here.
Not like.
Pegar un poquito de zumo ahorita.
Here we have Ich.
Gray, you look so funny. Oh my goodness, you look so awesome.
She's hot.
You go to the next one. I've never been to that one.
Punch her, Gabby, punch her. Punch her. Huh?
Papa.
What are you doing?
Dad, what are you doing? Dad, that's not gonna work. Stop. The egg's not gonna go through the bottle. Dad, wait, what? No way. Oh!
Wait, this is the pin right here. Dad. Okay, like this. Like this.
Yeah, it's gonna go. It's gonna go. It's gonna go. Hurry, get up. Get up.
We got it. Come, help.
It's so big.
The spider. We caught that spider. That spider that you were talking about. I think we got it. You take this. Take this. Oh, it's moving. Okay, it's moving.
Justin,
okay, I can.
Listen,
Okay.
this
What?
is not going to be strong enough to hold. Yeah, we got it.
I think we got it. I think we got it.
No, it's not. Look, it's not on that side yet. I think the spider's holding on to it. Here, right here. Can we get this in? Okay. Because you're going to slide the cardboard underneath. Are you ready for this? Because I don't know if I'm going to be able to. Ah! It's a stick bug. It's a stick bug.
Bro, where's my pee?
How could I have taken that? Huh? Bro, I've got a fork and a phone. I can't reach that.
Whatever. Copper. Bro, where's my pee? Where's my pee, bro? Another one is
I
missing.
don't have your pee.
Another one just went missing, bro.
How did I get it? Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Have you seen these?
The Christmas lights.
Well, no. These are the smart lights now. Can you plug it in?
Oh, beautiful.
Well, there's this new thing now where if they go out, you don't have to buy a replacement bulb. You can take the light from one bulb and move it to the other.
Where did you buy these? And then so they never, ever go out?
No, they never go out. They never go out because you're just constantly. This is recycling light. Like, go off. Like I'm gonna throw you the light. Right. I'll take this one right here. Look at this. Ready?
I don't understand how that's happening.
2. Watch this. Ready? And catch.
Stop!
Yes. Right here. Oh,
Wait.
that was good. You can go like, ow. Ooh.
Oh.
Yeah, you gotta try it. You gotta try it. Yeah, oh no, that's my. Sorry, that's my.
What?
T-Top boot camp. More aggressive. Man, just get out of here. Like this. Like this. Come on. More hip. More hip. More aggressive.
Oh no, I hope it don't fall. Dang, 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 dang.
Why do you want to go in the ice cream shop every time?
Alright guys, we got a doggy dessert. Oh man, look at that.
Is that your picture? Is that for your final project, honey?
You gotta march right up to this woman, right? You look her right in the eye. You lean forward, right? Just a little, almost all the way. Then you let her like lean forward just another little bit until you're just a lips distance away from each other. And then you just tell her how much you hate her. Yeah.
Trying to scare my boyfriend from under the bed. Didn't notice.
Oh shit! Oh shit! You good? Oh, man, you good? Look.
Oh, that was not worth it. It's 7 in the morning. It's 7 in the morning.
Hey guys, check out this big rock.
Oh.
Чё? Не умеешь так? Нет, не умеешь?
Should I text my ex back? No! 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 No!
I know.
How's that look? Oh my god, I can't see anything. Like this or like this? Yeah?
Yeah, I think we should change your position. Let's see. Should I get him?
Yeah.
Okay. I need your muscles. Yeah. I essentially just need this stuff in there. Be very careful. They're very breakable.
All right. What is this stuff?
Is that art?
Art?
Yes.
That's toes.
Yes. It's a very specific art. It's.
All right. What are they? Hand? All right.
Yeah.
All right.
I just don't want to disassemble her anymore.
Can I go head first? Yeah.
No, I say.
Huh?
Papa.
What are you doing?
So this is my sister's phone, right? Okay. Hey Shannon, can I see your wallet? Okay, hold on, let me open. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Chupapi. Ay, chupapi. Munyanyo. Munyanyo, chupapi. 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 Chupapi.
Whoa, 6 feet. Whoa.
Chupapi.
How's that feeling?
Oh, so good.
Yeah, no, a little higher. In. Hey, we're just.
Oh, hey.
Wanna come do some yoga?
Yeah. All stiff.
She learned a new yoga thing. It's
Stretching and breathing.
no. This is. Yeah,
I
look.
have to do that too.
No, watch her chakras.
What is she doing?
She's aligning her Shaka Khans, and her aura is going to change colors. Have you seen the monks in India and the yogi bears in India who do the thing? Do it.
What do they
Show.
do? What is she? Oh my gosh. How are you doing that?
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Look at that! Look at she's floating! Oh my gosh! Yes! Wow! Wow!
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Wait, how is that? How are you doing that?
Have a look.
That's so crazy.
Look at this.
What?
They've got guns.
Oh.
Watch this.
That was cool.
Oh my god!
Can't keep the change.
Now these. Look.
Just one?
Yeah.
Okay,
You
now
can tear this
be careful
off.
though.
Well, if I just unscrew this a little bit, that'll drop everything in.
Okay.
Here it goes.
Okay. Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Look at them all. Look at them all. It's going. It's going.
Oh my gosh. Wow, it really works.
Show me the white girl twerk. Show me white girl twerk.
You see my girl's work?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Perfect. ¿Qué? ¡Perfect!
Hey, why is there a box in the pool?
What? Let's check it out. What's going on? Magic trick time. Bam, rose.
Dude, I'm allergic to roses.
Okay, how about this? 3, 2, 1, tea.
Man, I don't even drink tea. Can you show me something spectacular?
You know what? I'm gonna make your voice, Steve. On the count of 3. 3, 2, 1, bam! Say something.
Yeah.
Oh, what did my voice?
Yo, is that Justin Bieber? Yo, oh my god. Yo, excuse me. Yo, I have a quick question. What do you call a gal from Canada that can't sing? Justin Bieber.
People say I have no talent, but can you suction your nose to your upper lip? Sometimes I forget that I can do that. I do it when I'm swimming. No water is getting up this nose. Okay? I said... In my butt. I don't have a butt! No, I'm so scared. Go.
Mommy, is that saying true? What's saying, sweetie? The saying that if I step on a crack, I'll break your back. Oh no, that's just a hoax. Oh, Mom, what's wrong? Nothing, it's just a little cramp. Oh. Ow. Oh. Stop sitting on those dang cracks. I guess it is true.
Если сейчас она вот тут бежит, то я открываю дверь сразу. Если она тут не бежит, то как делать?
Can somebody give me a high? Hey, so check.
You have scoliosis. Ugh.
I used to practice kissing on a pickle. I would make out with a pickle. And then when I got older, I did other things to that pickle.
And I was like, alright, I have skills. I think I have skills. And I was really trying to tell this girl that I was good at.
Justin, can I get your help, please? Can you build the box? You can build that for me? Yeah, it's great.
Okay.
You can build it for me?
Yeah, that's fine.
Cool.
No.
Babe, stop right there.
Where?
Bend over and spell run.
Are you in?
I mean, I don't know. Am I?
What?
What exactly? What are you doing?
Oh shit, it's the cop. The people back there.
Cleans out an elbow.
Hey!
Where does he place it? Down the middle.
1, 2, 3. I win! Touch it.
It's gonna bite me?
No.
Okay, what sound does a dog make?
Woof.
What sound does a cat make?
Meow.
What sound does a bird make?
Tweet.
What sound does someone make like when they're getting scared?
Yeah, yeah. Hey, yo, singing challenge. If I win, I get to have this house, bro.
No, I'm not.
I want to love you. Oh, you lost, man. Give me the keys, man. Thank you. Thank y'all for the crib.
No, Rob.
Oh my God, Rob.
You should have tagged me in.
Sorry.
I don't want to go to Hype
What are you
House.
thinking?
That's pretty funny. Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour!
Extreme!
Parkour! Parkour!
You're being really cuddly.
Yeah, will you hold my hand?
Yeah. Why are you being so cuddly? Your hands are soft.
Thank you.
What'd you do?
I just put lotion on my hands.
Okay. That feels like a lot. Here, selfie.
Okay.
That's nice. That's fun. That's
Thank
cute.
you. Where is that?
I don't know.
Hey, I'm gonna go get something to drink. Would you like something to drink?
Yeah, just a water, whatever. I'm fine.
Okay. I'll be right back.
Why are you being weird?
Not. I'm just gonna drink. Love you.
What are you doing?
Asking Dad if he'd punch me for $1 million.
Dad, would you punch me in the face for $1 million?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Without a doubt.
In the face?
No hesitation.
Wow.
I'd do it for 10.
You do it for 10,000?
$10.
Wow.
Come on, go! Yes.